Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO, another holiday yoga. Today, if you're at home, you can use the wall. I've got this beautiful, amazing English oak. So I decided to use this amazing spot today. But for you, the wall is gonna be fine as well. Before we start, please make sure you click notification bell and also the subscription button, and you're ready to start right now. You're going to lay down your back just against the wall, or if you're outside, anything really could be fine. As close as you can. Make sure you've got your lower back on the floor, so you've got abdominal muscles engaged. Place your feet with your hips width apart, arms beside your body, and first arms up. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now arms by your side. Press your feet against the wall or the tree, and you're trying to lift your hips, but make sure muscles engage. So you're using your glutes, using your hamstring, as well as you're pressing your elbows to the floor. Inhale, slowly exhale, lift. It's a good exercise to strengthen your lower back, but also gives you nice shape back of your leg. Inhale, floor. Exhale, lift up. Inhale and exhale. Make this position and this movement more challenging. Get your arms away from your body. Inhale, down, exhale, up. Inhale and exhale. Or it could be arms over your head. Just make sure you get good stability. If you find with the hold this position, try to bring your feet, legs together. Maybe that's straight. So if you've got the wall, they're gonna be higher, okay? For me, it's lower, but if you're using the wall, your leg's gonna be higher, and you're trying to lift your one leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe just one more each side. Great stretch for your hamstring, glutes, and slowly bring your arms. Roll your spine down the floor, cross legs. Let's rock side to side. Okay, feet nice and flat this time. Lift and hold if you can be even closer. Try to be closer. All right, so it's like a shoulder stand, but you've got this support with the wall or the tree, as I have. Arms by your side, or try hands behind your back. Move your shoulders down, and you're trying to lift one leg. Inhale and exhale, try to stretch. Okay, maybe lift. Inhale and exhale. Still squeezing glutes. All right, now right leg. Inhale to the wall, exhale, down. Inhale. Inhale, leg up. Exhale. Try to reach over your head. Maybe it's here, maybe even touching the floor over your head. If you've got enough flexibility in your right leg. Okay, you can try. Right against the wall, left. Always one leg is more flexible. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Maybe one more. and relax. Okay, slowly roll your spine. Now cross legs. Wall is much closer to you. I've got my knees in here. And just relax. Could be cross legs or feet together. To stretch your inner thighs, to work with the range of movement in your hips. Arms away from your body. Feet couple inches off the wall. And you're trying to rock side to side. Good for your lower back, great for your core, especially your obliques. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Back to center. Okay, going to roll over, to lay down, put your head against the wall. Bring your arms, going to place your hands against the wall. And you're trying to lift your legs. Inhale, slowly exhale. Check how high you can lift your hips. If you can reach towards the wall. If yes, try one leg at a time. Inhale and exhale. You need to press your feet against the wall. Perfect. And slowly roll back down. Let's rock your hips and legs side to side. Slow roll on one side. And going to use the wall to stretch your legs as well as your chest and shoulders. Send out your hands. If your shoulders level, start with knees bent. Keep your arms straight. Inhale. Slowly exhale. If your hamstring ready for more, try with your straight legs. Inhale and exhale. Work for your hamstring. If you're ready, feet together and try left leg first. Flex your foot, keep your toes and your left foot pointing down. If you've got strong balance, try right hand down to the floor. More challenge, going to turn your left leg and your body to your left side, still pressing your left hand against the wall or whatever you have. Still good, you can bend your left knee, cross to your right side, your foot, and if your balance is strong, try to reach for your foot. So leg is pulling your arm back, arm is pulling your leg forward. Good breath. Feel the stretch, right leg, right hamstring. And slowly relax. Going to try the other side. Hold it. Lifting your right leg. If it's too much for your hamstring, your left leg, bend your left knee. Just make sure. First, you got your toes on your right foot pointing down. Flex your foot. Push your hands against the wall. If you're good, try. If you're ready to increase the stretch, as your hand closer to the floor, just lower, which means you're stretching your hamstring even more. And you're twisting body to your right side. Good. Or bend your knee, cross to your left side, your foot. Reach for your foot and hold it. Deep breath in, slowly out. Inhale, slowly exhale, and relax. Okay. All right. Now, right foot against the wall. Try to keep your left pointing forward as much as you can. And to stretch your legs, move your hips. So you're bending your right leg, shoulders back and down. Could be elbows or hands together, or even straight arms. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, right leg bent, so you can really feel you're able to make this movement. If you're fine, try for straight leg. But if you notice you can't hold your shoulders back anymore, you're pulling forward, bend your right knee, still stretching back of your right leg, but all depends what's the flexibility in your right leg. Needs to be straight or needs to be slightly bent. Okay, one more. And relax. Okay, so let's try left leg. So you're staying not too far and watch your right foot. The best if it's pointing forward, so you're not twisting too much, because you can change position of your hips. So when you stand up, you got both feet parallel each other, placing your left foot, again hands on your hips behind or nice and straight. So first with your left knee, inhale and exhale, bend. Really open your hips and stretch your muscles in your legs. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, if your left knee bent, or maybe could be straight. Inhale and exhale, work with your body, respect your limitations. We are all different. That's why I always got this message for you. I'm going to remind you all the time. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. Maybe one more time. And relax. Okay. So thank you for today. I hope you enjoy all the stretches for your lower body. You can use anything rainy for yoga, make it more fun. And this English oak was very nice spot to do some yoga using usually at studio just the wall. So thank you for watching, guys. Check you click the subscription button and notification bell, and please, if you enjoyed it, give me thumbs up, and I'm looking forward for any comments how you find this yoga stretching for you. So thank you for now, and see you next time. Bye, guys.